showing a little bit more of MEC focus. You know, it ain't complete yet, but it is beating. It's doing its job. Got the beat down going. Finna play some old Fiend, some of that No Limit when Beats by the Pound was doing they beat.
Another hit, I'm smoking green with a fiend by the age of 18. I chop a pound to the ground when Cappy on the triple beam. Upon a time before I used to bust rhymes, I had to scratch to get a nickel in order to get a dime. But times didn't change, I'm happy mine, and I'm protected by the chain. No limit and plenty time. I try to the bullet, so when I finish, I got the bullet. I'm looking for that train shit, boy. You bite the bullet, but trying to sell. Check this out, man. Every time a nigga go out of town, somebody always talk to me talking about, I got the chronic. Motherfucker, chronic ain't brown with seeds stems in the bag, nigga.
Hey, they was asking who got that fire, but we asking who got that bass. If you want it, come get it. MEC850.com, 850-575-7737, Tallahassee, Florida.